Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have a Fitbit Inspire HR. And what we're going to do today is we're going to open up this box and help you set this thing up. So inside the box we get, there we go. There you go. There's the Inspire HR watch. Just like that. I think it should turn on. They usually have some kind of charge. Nope, this one looks like it's completely dead, so we'll have to... Oh, there we go. It's powering up. And it does have a little message. It says www.fitbit.com setup. So it just kind of gives you a little website that you can check out how to set this thing up. But we'll go through the steps right here. And then down here we have, what do we have? We have some literature, some instructions. Inside here we have, let's just open this up. Looks like we have the powering cord. Now this is a magnetic powering cord that just kind of attaches there. We'll do that in a sec. And then we have a little larger strap that you can install, and it has this little lever here that can help you get this thing on and off, and you can just kind of detach the old one just like that. You can see this little lever bar here. You could depress this and kind of rotate it to get it off. To get it back on, you just kind of stick that one in and kind of get the lever. So if you want a slightly longer wristband, you could do that. And again, the power is magnetic. It just kind of attaches magnetically. You just want to get these little two prongs right there along with these little plates here, and it should just stick like that. Okay, to set up your Fitbit, you will need a Fitbit app either on your smartphone or tablet, and you could do that, let's say on the iPhone, just by going to the App Store. Let's see, you go to apps and then you want to just do the search and just type in Fitbit and then hit that, and then you'll see the Fitbit app right here. You'll see this little logo. It's Fitbit, and I already have it downloaded, so it says open, but you'll just it'll be get if you haven't downloaded the app already. And so that's the Fitbit app there, and to get in you just tap it. And if you already have a login, you can go ahead and log in, or you could just join if this is the first Fitbit you've had. So I'll go ahead and join. And before you can join, it wants to know what kind of Fitbit you have. Now again, this is the Inspire HR Fitbit, and so I could just tap Inspire. And now we're just going to set it up for the first time. And so to set it up, you just hit Setup. Now this is Bluetooth activated, so it should see this particular Fitbit when it's setting up. But first I'm going to enter all the username, include the first name, last name, email, password, etc. And so I'll go ahead and do that first. Next it says, to get an accurate picture of your activity, please tell us a few things about yourself. So we'll just go ahead, and it's going to ask you your birth date, some additional things like weight, height, etc. So go ahead and put your information in. Next screen is just the height, so you go ahead and put your height in. It asks you next if you're a female or male. And then it asks you about your weight. Now you don't have to be exact, but within about 5 or 10 pounds would probably be preferable so it could calculate some of your calorie intakes. So if your Bluetooth isn't already on your smartphone or tablet, it's asking you to go ahead and change the settings. So you can go ahead and hit settings, turn on Bluetooth. Then it gives you some privacy information, so you want to hit agree. Okay, next it asks you to plug in your Fitbit to charge, so it won't interrupt the process if it runs out of charge. Now again, the Fitbit does come with a charger. You do need some way to plug it in, either in a computer, or you do need a little square of some kind to convert it. So we'll just go ahead and plug this in like that, and then go ahead. Again, it's magnetic, and you want to make sure the prongs here match the little metal plates there. And again, it's just magnetic, just like that, and you'll start seeing it charge. It looks like it was pre-charged to about 30% new in the package, and so it's just in the process of charging now. So from there, you just hit next. And then so it says plug in cable into USB and it's charge, and then it did see your Fitbit and it sends you a 4-digit code that it wants to enter. This way your particular Fitbit is being connected to your phone or tablet. So you want to hit in the code that it sends you, and then it starts saying connecting, and when this process is over, your Fitbit will be connected to your phone or tablet. Okay, next, almost in every case, brand new Fitbit right out of the box, it usually has an update. So you do want to update your Inspire Fitbit or whatever Fitbit you have, and this will probably take some time. So it's going from 0 to 100%. So here I did get a low battery screen. It is saying, let's see, step 1, plug in your device, but it wants to ensure that your battery has at least 50% charge before it goes through this process. Again, let's see, where was I? We're currently at 42%, so I'll put this aside and make sure that it charges to 50 before I continue. Okay, so it's been charging for a little while. It's at 56% here. See, 56%, so I think I'm ready to go, so we'll go ahead and try again. And now it's setting up the Inspire HR, and again this will take a little while. So after downloading for about 10 minutes, now it's in the installation process. And as it's installing the software, you can see on the Fitbit itself it has kind of a bar that's being filled in with a lighter line, and when that bar is full, it should be done installing. Okay, so the bar disappeared and it says the Inspire HR is ready. So we'll just go ahead and hit continue. And then the first thing it does is it wants me to try it on. So we'll go ahead and try it on. And it's very light, feels very comfortable, and you can see there's a nice little display. You can see that. There you go. So we'll go ahead and hit next. And then it just gives you some instructions how to change the band, which we've already covered. Next. And then you can tap it and kind of go through the menus, or excuse me, turn it on, and then you can kind of go through the menu options and you can learn about these online at the Fitbit.com, or read the instructions, and it just gives you a lot of stats and different functionalities. Go ahead and hit next. Again, it's opening up some features, showing you some features, and then you can go back anytime. So when you're looking at some of the features, you can hit run, etc., and you could always hit the button on the side to go backwards in the menu, and you just keep on hitting the button, and it'll return you to your original screen. So we'll hit continue. So here it's just saying if you want to see battery life or some of the functions or status of the Fitbit itself, you just push and hold the button down, and it'll show you the battery along with some other functions, notifications, etc. And here it's just giving you a list of product care tips. And then you are all set and you're ready to go. So go ahead and explore your Fitbit, and here it's okay, so here it's asking about you want to allow your Fitbit to know your locations. Typically you do, so we'll just go ahead and hit always. Fitbit would like to make data available to nearby Bluetooth sources. We'll just hit OK for now. Would like to send notifications. I don't really like notifications, so I'll say no to that. And then location access Bluetooth sharing. Yeah, we'll go ahead and open that setting. and then everything is set correctly, so locations, Bluetooth sharing, etc. Okay, start your free trial. I don't think I'll do that. Pairing Bluetooth requests, I'll just hit cancel for that for now. And here it's just giving you some options for some monthly or yearly subscriptions to the Fitbit Premium. You do not have to subscribe to that, so we'll just hit the X button. And there you go, we are ready. I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.